so cute.
Wait for me. No, wait, guys.
This is what they transport little new baby calves in. It's probably still got some baby calf residue in it. Fun. And then the little baby calves go in these little baby calf pens. And then they graduate to a bigger pen, and then a bigger pen, and then a bigger pen, and then they go up to Grandpa's house.
1 second.
He's so cute. And then they turn into mama cows, or they turn into steers.
Everyone, look this way.
Barn update. Okay, they filled up the holes in the cinder block with concrete. Then they had to kind of put a tent over it to keep it from freezing because it is December, almost January.
And also,
What?
the giant windstorm.
Yeah, giant windstorm. We talked about that. Looks like they've closed up one door and a window. So I'm not sure how they're gonna.
They closed the back door right there.
Okay, there you go.
With concrete.
Getting the roof on. Putting tin on the roof.